Question 1. Who maintains Australia's peace and order? A. The police. B. The judge. C. The army. Correct answer, C. The army. Question 2. Do you know how many autonomous British colonies there were before 1901? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. Correct answer, C. 6. Question 3. Which of the following statements regarding colonies before 1901 is true? A. They had the same constitution and laws. B. They had different constitutions and laws. C. They had the same constitution but different laws. Correct answer, B. They had different constitutions and laws. Question 4. What is the largest public event held annually in Australia? A. Australia Day. B. Easter Day. C. Labor Day. Correct answer, A. Australia Day. Question 5. The smallest state in Australia is A. New South Wales. B. Queensland. C. Tasmania. Correct answer, C. Tasmania. Question 6. What are the national colors of Australia? A. Green and blue. B. Green and gold. C. Green and white. Correct answer, B. Green and gold. Question 7. What is the meaning of religious freedom? A. Government treats certain religions differently. B. Australia has an official state religion. C. Religious law has no legal status in Australia. Correct answer, C. Religious law has no legal status in Australia. Question 8. The only way to amend the Australian Constitution is through A. A referendum. B. Federal elections. C. Order from the Prime Minister. Correct answer, A. A referendum. Question 9. What day does the Prime Minister announce the Australian of the Year award? A. Australia Day. B. Anzac Day. C. The eve of Australia Day. Correct answer, C. The eve of Australia Day. Question 10. What is the number of branches of the Australian government? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Correct answer, C. 3. Question 11. What does the Union Jack on the Australian flag stands for? A. The English people of Australia. B. The States. Australia. C. Our history of British settlement. Correct answer, C. Our history of British settlement. Question 12. What day is Australia Day? A. January 26th. B. July 1st. C. August 15th. Correct answer, A. January 26th. Question 13. What is the recognized name of the National Police Force in Australia? A. Federal Bureau of Investigations. B. Australian Federal Police. C. Australian Defence Force. Correct answer, B. Australian Federal Police. Question 14. What does the word partnership mean? A. A nice girlfriend. B. Australia's national cuisine. C. A concept to help each other in times of need. Correct answer, C. A concept to help each other in times of need. Question 15. Who selects the ministers in Australia? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Head of State. C. The Governor-General. Correct answer, A. The Prime Minister. Question 16. The white color in the Torres Strait Islander flag is a symbol of A. Peace. B. War. C. Work. Correct answer, A. Peace. Question 17. In Australia, when is a person considered guilty? A. They are accused by the police. B. They are found guilty by a court. C. All of the above. Correct answer. B. They are found guilty by a court. Question 18. What does the Southern Cross represent in the national flag of Australia? A. All Commonwealth countries. B. A group of southern sky stars. C. The states and territories of Australia. Correct answer, A. All Commonwealth countries. Question 19. What are the names of the two mainland territories of Australia? A. The Northern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory. B. The Southern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory. C. The Northern Territory and the Southern Territory. Correct answer, A. The Northern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory. Question 20. Is the world's oldest living culture? A. Australia's Indigenous culture. B. Roman culture. C. Indian culture. Correct answer, A. Australia's Indigenous culture. How many questions did you get right? Leave a comment and let me know.